Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know I look a bit weird, it's because I don't have my brows on, and that's because I'm filming it today. So before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's start now. So for my brows I usually use these two products or some combination of them, or all of them, or just one of them. It depends on how much time I have. So it's actually this Beauty UK eyeshadow and eyeliner collection. It's in the shade Amazon 2. I don't know if you remember, I used it to do my smudged liner look. I'll link that video below. And actually it's very old and it's broken. Actually I use this brush in it. It's very good and very thin. I don't know if you see it. And I use this brown shade, this brown liner for my brows. You can do it to look a bit harsh, and you can do it to look a bit natural. So it's really a great product and it lasts all day long, and I really like it and I use it for years. Second product is this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It looks like this. It's a very thin, precisely my brow, as it is called, pencil. And I really like this also. It's very pigmented. I have it in the shade 4, yes. It's also very pigmented, it's very precise. You can do those hair look strokes as you can do with this also. And I'll show it how I use it in combination. And third product is this Make Me Brow by Essence mascara for brows with this. It has a bit of fibers in it, I don't know if you could see it. I'll start with pencil. And first what I do, I draw a line under my brows so I can define where their limits are. And now on the top, I start with where my hairs start to go in the side. And I have very dry skin here on my brows, so it's a bit difficult, but these products are very good for that also. Like that, and then I go in front, and with a light pressure I'm just doing this hair-like strokes like that. And then I'll take other side that has a spoolie and I brush them a bit. Sometimes I leave it like this, and sometimes I use this gel liner and I tap a bit in it. And now I'll go in my tail of my brow and I'll just define it. And now I'll go with this gel and I'll just brush it through. What I actually like with all of these products is that they are not the same color. So it looks a bit natural. I think that these 3 shades of brown look a bit more natural than just one shade. I'll do my other brow and then I'll be right back. I'm back. I actually prefer this brow today, and that's not usually how it works, but okay, I was maybe a bit nervous because I filmed this, I don't know, but it's okay. So now I'm going with white pencil, and it's a white one from the Wet n Wild, and I'm just lining it, my brow. Like that, and now I'll blend it just with my finger. I like to do this with eye pencil, with white pencil, because it's instant highlight also, and I don't like powders because I said my skin is very dry, especially in this brow area, so I think this looks better. And if I would go with concealer or something like that, it wouldn't be so highlighty, so I like it like this more. So guys, this is the completed look. These are my brows and how they look when I fill them in. I think they look a bit more harsh because I used all of them and I did some effort to do them. I usually do only pencil or only that gel. I mean, I do them both when I have time, but it's not usually the case. So what do you think about it? Do you have maybe some suggestions? What should I use or something like that? And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, of course subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!